Good morning, everyone. I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I think we're going to go put a few onion sets in the garden. Now that I got a little spare time on my hands, I'm going to try and get some of these onion sets put in. After working all morning, working on lawnmowers. And that's the good part about working for George. Whenever you can give him a hand, that's good enough for him. Well, I got about 300 onion sets set. I don't know if I'm going to put any more in or not. Maybe a little bit later, but that's all I got right now. So I got to see what else I could do around here to get started on this garden. Now that I got the lawnmower parts behind me for the day, I can focus on trying to get these onions in the ground and get the job done. Sometimes you just can't finish the job all at once. You gotta come back and try to do a little bit more at a time. Last year we put about 600 onions, but I thought that was a few too many after harvesting them all. Plus we had some purple ones and we had a few white ones, but like I said earlier in the other videos, I really didn't care for them because they didn't give me too good of a yield, so we just stuck with these yellow onions. When you get out in the garden, you can look around and enjoy things. Sometimes the simple things are things that most of us folks overlook in life. But I always say, it ain't gonna do it itself. It needs to be done. Back at George's earlier today, I was tearing apart another monster. But right now, I don't have to worry about that. Them headaches are gone for the moment. But back at George's Mowers Part and Services, he's still got a whole lot of inventory that he has to check in. And I'm glad it ain't me. The simple things in life is what it's about. I think some of the rain's coming in, so I'm gonna have to call it quits on this little project. At least till this rain blows over. Sometimes I just look around and I kind of wonder what's going to happen the next day or two, you know? Just never know what's going to happen to anyone. You want to keep your head up and try to keep your mind straight.